Today we're going to bring a digital timer. This is a pretty good one. It's made for many scenarios. If you're going to take it out, it's pretty big. It fits in pretty much on my palm of my hand, as you can see. It has a power button here, power saving right now. If you guys can see, I have power saving, so we're going to actually leave it in the middle. We don't need to save power. Now, this is pretty good because you don't need batteries, but it does come with a charging station. It's a USB Type A to a Type C connection, all right? Very simple to charge right now. You just plug it in and charge it up right there. Right now, we have super light and higher light, so we could get lighter and lower this power button off. And then we go one section, if you guys can see it, little light, and then we're gonna put it light, super light. Now, if you want power saving, it's gonna turn off in a couple of seconds. It just turns off to save power, but it keeps on. But the middle button keeps it on permanently. Now, we do have hours, minutes, and seconds installed, right? Now, on the back of it, there's 4 magnets that you could tie this to the actual, your kitchen or your refrigerator. Now, if you don't have that, there's always a little kickstand right here, if you have a little kickstand in here. Now, right now, if you can see, I'm gonna put clear. And we're gonna do 1 second here. So we're gonna have 1 second, we hit the start button. And that's it, that's pretty much it. So it is flashing, telling you that there's a couple seconds after, even after the second went after. So it's giving you a minus time, all right? So you could come back and hear it. Now, if you wanna hear it, you could hear it here in the bottom, all right? So right now we have it off, we're gonna hear it on, all right? And we're gonna hit that one, we're gonna clear that second, clear it. We're gonna clear it. We're gonna clear it, and we're gonna do that 1 second again. We're gonna start it. Once you start it, it starts beeping. You'll hear it loud. It's pretty loud. So this is pretty good for if you're gonna put it in the kitchen or anywhere else. So let me go ahead and stop it. So once we stop it, it tells you negative how many seconds after it. So very simple, easy to use. You got hours, minutes, seconds, and then clear, stop, and then play too. So you could do that, and you could stop it, pause it anytime you want. And then you could clear it if you want. If you want to, say you're playing a game and you have a timer. So we're gonna put 1 minute, for example. We're gonna hit start, and it's gonna start them 1 minute. And somebody, say you're playing chess, you could just hit the stop button, and it will stop it there, and the next player could start playing it again. Stop it again, and it's very simple to control, very easy to use.